Hello friends, my name is Eddie. Today I have a new story for you. It is easy to understand and full of motivation. It's not just for learning English. It's also for learning how to grow in life. This story is called The Power of One Step. It's the story of a young man named Sam, and how one small step changed his whole life. Let's begin. Chapter 1. A Small Life. Sam was 19 years old. He lived in a small village near the sea. The village was peaceful, but life was hard. Sam's family was poor. His father worked as a fisherman. His mother grew vegetables in the garden. Sam had a younger brother named Rafi. Sam loved Rafi very much. Sam wanted to do something big in life. He had a dream. "I want to become a tour guide," he said. "I want to speak English. I want to meet people from other countries." But there was a problem. Sam's English was very bad. He had never been to school after age 12. He didn't have books, he didn't have money, and worst of all, he had no confidence. "Who will listen to me?" Sam thought. "I'm just a village boy. I don't even speak English well." So, he stayed silent, day after day, year after year. Chapter 2. The Spark. One day, a tourist came to the village. She was from Canada. Her name was Anna. She got lost near the market and looked worried. People looked at her, but no one helped. They didn't speak English. Sam saw her. He felt nervous. But something inside him said, "Try. Just take one step." Sam walked up to her and said, "Hello? You need help?" Anna smiled. "Yes, thank you. I can't find my guest house." Sam didn't understand everything she said. But he understood one word, guest house. He knew the place. So he pointed and said, "That way? I go with you." They walked together. Anna spoke slowly. Sam listened carefully. "You speak good English," she said. Sam laughed. "No, I speak bad English." But Anna said something powerful. "You speak enough. You helped me. That's what matters." Those words stayed in Sam's heart. Chapter 3. The Learning Begins. That evening, Sam sat near the sea. The wind was strong, the waves were high, but in Sam's mind, something had changed. He told himself, "If I can help one person today, I can help 100 tomorrow." He found an old notebook. He wrote on the first page, "Day 1, learn English, become tour guide." He started learning 5 English words every day. Simple words, easy words. See, boat, fish, friend, help. He would repeat them out loud while walking. He would say them while working in the garden. One day he found an old radio. He listened to English songs. He didn't understand the lyrics, but he loved the sound. And slowly, something magical began to happen. Chapter 4. The First Real Test. 2 months later, another tourist came, a man from Germany. His name was Max. Max wanted to take a boat ride. Sam saw him and smiled. He walked up and said, "Hello, you want boat ride?" Max was surprised. "Yes, but no one speaks English here." Sam said, "I can help you. I know a good fisherman." Sam took Max to his father's boat. They sailed across the sea. Sam pointed at dolphins, birds, and islands. He said simple English sentences like, "Look, that is dolphin. They swim in groups." Max was happy. "You have talent, my friend," he said. "You should become a tour guide." Those words gave Sam more fire. That night, he added a new line in his notebook. Day 63. I am not just learning English. I am becoming someone new. Chapter 5. The Fire Inside. Sam made a new routine. Morning, help parents. Afternoon, learn English. Evening, practice speaking. He used YouTube to listen to simple English. He paused the video, repeated each line and wrote it down. He even made a mirror his best friend. He stood in front of it and said things like, "My name is Sam. I am from the sea village. I love helping people." Every time he made a mistake, he smiled and said, "I will try again tomorrow." His brother Rafi started joining him. They would practice dialogues together. One spoke like a tourist, the other like a guide. They laughed, they learned, they grew. Chapter 6. The Climb. After 6 months, Sam had saved enough money. He bought a small second-hand phone. He started recording himself. "Hello, welcome to our village," he said. We have fish, mountains, smiles, and stories. He posted the videos on social media. At first, no one noticed. But then, one video went viral. It was a short video of Sam showing the sunset from a hill. He said, "This is our golden sunset. It gives us hope. Come see it with your heart, not just your eyes." That line touched people. Many shared it. Many commented, "Wow, this boy speaks from the heart." Tourists started messaging him, "Can we book a tour with you? Can you guide us next weekend?" Sam was shocked. His English was not perfect, but his heart was honest, and people felt it. Chapter 7. The Big Opportunity. One day a travel blogger named Tina visited the village. She had thousands of followers. She met Sam and asked, "Can I film a video with you?" Sam said yes. He showed her the beach, the sunset, the food, and the stories. In the video he said, "Dreams are like boats. They float only if you keep rowing." The video went viral again. Thousands of people saw it. Some people said, "He should write a book. He should speak in schools." That night Sam cried a little, not because he was sad, but because he finally saw his own light. Chapter 8. The School Invite. 3 months later, a school in the city invited Sam. They said, "Come speak to our students, tell them your journey." Sam felt nervous. "I've never spoken on stage," he told Rafi. Rafi smiled and said, "Remember what you always say, one step at a time." So Sam prepared. He wrote his speech in simple English. He practiced every day. On the day of the event, he stood in front of 300 students. He said, "My name is Sam. I come from a small village by the sea. I didn't know English. I didn't have money. But I had one thing, a small dream. Each day I took one step. Each word I learned gave me strength. Each mistake I made taught me something. And today, I'm here to tell you, if I can do it, you can too." The hall was silent. Then came applause. Some students cried. Some clapped with both hands in the air. Sam had become more than a guide. He had become a leader. Chapter 9. Bigger Dreams. Sam started a YouTube channel. He taught simple English and shared village life. He called it Sam Speaks Simple. He now had thousands of followers. Tourists kept coming. His family's life changed. He built a new house for his parents. He sent Rafi to a good school. He even helped other kids in his village learn English. One day, Anna, the Canadian tourist who first met him, returned. She said, "You helped me that day. Now you help the world." Sam smiled and said, "I just took one small step. That's all it takes to start something big." So, my friends, what did we learn from Sam? 1. Every big dream starts small. 2. English is not about grammar. It's about connection. 3. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be brave. 4. One small step can change your life forever. If Sam can do it, so can you. Now it's your turn. Learn 5 new English words today. Speak one English sentence out loud. Take one step. And remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.